Grandma. I'm gonna show you how I do my Heelys. Can't do it that fast, but I can do it without Daddy. Oh, here's some homemade nachos, just the way we like them. Well, I'm not gonna eat one right now. Here, can you hold the camera, please? Maybe I'll fall, but whatever. Whoa. It's fun. Once you learn how to do it, it's really fun.
Turn the corner.
I can't do turning, Daddy. You know that. Alright, I'm just going to go to the end.
Okay, do a somersault.
Daddy. Maybe I can try if I can. Okay, that wasn't very good.